It was recently my birthday and I have a little unboxing. I did show a little preview of this on my birthday, so some of you might know what it is. This one from It's All Good. It's a small women-owned Hermes scarf store, and they included this really cute scarf ring. It's with 2007 ribbon. Scarf came out in 1990, and I know it was reissued twice, 1993 and 1997. Here is the reveal, almost. Here is the reveal. This scarf is called Chapeau by Annie Faivre. The thing, I've seen this scarf a lot of times and I just thought it was like a traditional looking Hermes scarf and scrolled past it, but then I looked at the details and look at the Sofia Coppola Marie Antoinette vibes here. And here, there's a sailboat in the wig here, and mushrooms growing in the feathers here. She's designed almost 50 scarves with Hermes, and a fun anecdote about her designs is most of them have a little monkey hidden somewhere in the pattern. When I was younger, her nickname was the little monkey, so there's one hidden. It is on her handbag. There is the monkey. I also have another one of her scarves, Art de Step, and this one also has the monkey. Under this pink horse is this vase. Here is the monkey right there. I can't wait to wear it. And here it is with the scarf ring.